I was out late last night till 2:45. I hit the sack, it hit me back. The alarm clock is bugging me. You think you heard some sorry sounds? Here's the sorriest sound around. Goes off right by my head, nearly knocks me out of bed. Alarm clock is bugging me.